This is number 27 in Unit 63, where we're asked to find the measure of a central angle of a piece of pie or sector in a circle. And we're given the radius of the circle is equal to 0.2. We are told that the area of the circle is equal to 0.03. So what we have to do is we have to first remember that the way we determine the area of a sector in a circle is we take the central angle measure of that piece of pie, we call it theta, divide it by 360 to find the fractional part of the circle that is within that piece of pie, and then multiply by our formula for the area of the whole circle. So if we plug in what we know that A is equal to 0.03. We don't know theta, but it's going to be divided by 360 and then multiplied by pi times our radius squared, which will be times 0.2 squared. Now I'd like to try to avoid rounding any of these numbers until I get a final answer. So I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to find out first what's the value of pi times 0.2 squared. So pi times 0.2 squared is about equal to 0.12566. That then needs to be divided by 360, and I get an answer that my calculator gives me in scientific notation. And it's saying 3, and again, I'm not going to round it, I'm going to leave it on my calculator screen, but 3.49 times 10 to the negative 4 power. That's all of that is being multiplied by my angle measure theta. Okay, so now to get theta alone, I'm going to need to take my area of 0.03 and divide by that answer. Remember, we were reviewing using our answer key in class the other day. And we find that theta in this case would be equal to 85.94 degrees. They wanted us to round, I think, to the nearest tenth, one decimal place, so that would be 85.9 degrees.